So now we're working our way up. Here we are in the very, very front. I'm going to rotate my fingers up this way. I can see the longer hair here. Here's the piece from what I previously cut, and you're going to cut right down to that piece. All right? If we have to go shorter into here, there's the longer hair, and you're cutting downwards. What you can then do is bring all this hair forward, like this. And by looking in the mirror, you can see and judge if it's even, if it's accurate, right? All the hair comes forward like that. This should be the shortest point in through here, and it's working down into the longer points, which are down here. You can then incorporate all of this into that section by bringing all of this hair forward. I'm just going to turn the mannequin this way. By bringing all of this forward like this, and again, making sure that this is always the shortest piece and it works down into the longest piece, right? The easiest thing to do, which I've seen people do themselves, is to just bring the hair forward. You can, again, continue to work away at it until you get your desired length. Same exact thing on the other side. And just remember, you know, this is why I don't suggest trying to do this at home, but just remember, this is only the base. This is only like the foundation of the haircut. You know, when we do the internal layering, I mean, that's a whole other thing, which, you know, I'll show you, but it's not the easiest to achieve. You know what I mean? It's might look easy or sound easy, but it may not be the easiest.